contact us for special internet pricing. Keeler BMW presents this 2009 BMW 328xi with an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and 46,000 miles. This sedan has a space gray metallic exterior, a black interior, and comes with some great features, including a moonroof, heated front seats, retractable headlight washers, automatic climate control, tire pressure monitor, power front seats, rain sensor and automatic headlights, iPod and USB adapter, dynamic cruise control, and more. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax guaranteed. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Keeler BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.